from camp, where either the mouse from the last episode is back or we have a new mouse. I haven't seen him or heard him in the last week, but he did leave clues. I heard him this morning under my bed, which concerns me because that is where all my wires for all my electronics are, and also all my food is over here in storage. So I gotta rip this apart and see if he's under there. I gotta get some traps today. I hope you're having a better morning than me. Anyway, we're driving through Iowa today and tomorrow. 48 hours in Iowa. Just have a few finishing up touches to make. We have supervision by Wyatt here to let us know exactly what to do. Hi, Johnny from the future here, about 2 weeks ahead. I'm broken down in South Dakota, sitting in the van, and you'll get to that story soon enough. Anyway, I just want to explain where we're at while I'm editing this video. This is a place called Maquoketa Caves State Park, and it was awesome. Maquoketa Caves State Park. All right, now back to it. You did it, buddy, you did it. Come on, let's go. So the visitor center was closed, but it looks like we have maps. I should probably grab one of those. Or just wing it in typical Johnny fashion. Alright, I'm gonna do the responsible thing. Take a picture. And I say we go exploring. Alright, let's go. Cool. Our first stop is the Natural Bridge. Don't kill me. How cool is this? And the cool thing is there's nobody here. This is called the dance hall. All right, you gotta see this. You guys have to see this. I hope you can hear me. It is so freaking windy. There are wind gusts of like 40 miles an hour on the way here. Terrible when you're driving a square van. All right, so that is the Natural Bridge. We'll get to that. This feels like Alabama's Natural Bridge. I'll put a link somewhere up here. It looks like it. Oh, buddy, let's go in here. It's borderline cold right here. Wyatt, let's go see what's this way. Don't kill me. Yeah, definitely drink that water. Oh, I'm ducked down this far. It's very short in here. Cool. I wish I were shorter. This is so rad. All right, it's opened up a little bit here. I can stand up. Just the sounds of the water dripping. And Wyatt splashing. This is so badass. Sick. Keep going, buddy. You're doing great. You're doing great. Oh, look at this. Buddy, look at this. Does it keep going? Oh, it does. It goes here. Okay. Oh, it's actually raining now. Rain. Why didn't I bring a flashlight like the Boy Scout that I am? Should have brought a flashlight. I just love the sounds of the wind, of the dripping water in the cave, the echoes. What a cool place. What do you think, little dude? What do you think? Is it a cool place? You wanna keep going? All right. Have you noticed that wherever there's rock, there's always a balanced rock? No matter where you go, no matter what state, no matter what mountain range, there's always a balanced rock. Let's go see this one. Oh, there it is. I can see it from here. I don't even have to go up the steps. Let's go up the steps. Balanced rock. This is gonna be like the shortest tour ever. There's such terrible weather coming in the next like 40 minutes. The cool thing is that the caves are only like maybe a half-mile hike from the campground. So that's nice. See another giant hole in the ground. Let's go check this one out. There's a cool vantage point of whatever we're about to go into next. What's that, buddy? You wanna go in? You wanna go in this cave? It's so small. Can't get very far in there. Oh shit. Just about have our first accident of the day. I think I'm gonna rename this channel the Falling with Johnny channel. Let's see what he falls down today. This part is just so absolutely massive. Just this giant cave wall. What? Are you impatient? All right, let's go. Bats. Look, there's bats. Bats. Let's see if I can get a good view of it. Right, that is so rad. Sick. Cool, underneath the arch. So muddy. It's so gross. This will be worth it. I need some toast. There is a trail that goes all on the ridge here, on the bridge, but not me, not today, not with him. I swear he's still trying to kill me. It's so slick, oh my God. And look at this, it just opens up into this. Just got all these rock walls here. There's the arch. I just have to take this time to remind you that I'm in Iowa. This is so rad. Frogger. I think I caught that on film, buddy. What's this? Little cave. Window cave. Oh, it's so cold in here. It feels so good. Roomy. Got lots of room for activities. The window. Look at that window shot. Yeah. Also, it's weird. Like the grass just feels so lush. The forest floor. It's beautiful. Our first caution. Look at that tree. Buddy, we can't go that way. Well, how do we go now? All right, Wyatt, show me the way. Might look like a trail, but this is how we get ourselves into messes. An animal. What is that? A raccoon? Raccoon. That was weird. Oh God, I'm falling. But that thing probably has rabies. Lost. Just as I suspected. All right, that rain is coming in. But we gotta book it back to camp. I know you're trying to roll in shit. No! No, oh my God, I smell it. You rolled in actual shit. Buddy, I don't know whose van you're sleeping in tonight. No! Get up. Ugh. Get up. Get up. Ew, I don't want to be near you. Oh my God, you smell. Oh, that's the worst thing he's ever rolled in. And he rolled in a giant pile of it. He's up for adoption. Anybody's interested? He's gonna need about 17 showers though. This water pump better work. You did this to yourself. I'm not sure this microphone is waterproof. I don't think it is. The joys of having a dog. It's gonna be such a smelly night. Come on, let's go throw your poop away. You're so gross. Well, that might be the briefest tour you'll ever receive of Maquoketa Caves.
Carry you on my shoulders, a little heavy as time goes by. You know it's not forever, but for a little while. Little Lucifer, Lucifer, hold on. Little Lucifer, the day's yet to come. Little Lucifer, Lucifer.
I can't believe I have a mouse again. Or still. It just really bothers me. Never had a mouse before. Alright, we're gonna go find coffee. Please, we're gonna find coffee on the way to our first attraction of the day as we're still continuing to travel through Iowa. 48 hours in Iowa. It is much colder today. It was 84 yesterday. It is 30 this morning. A front came through. A cold front came through. All right, let's get on there. We've acquired coffee. Needed coffee. It's so cold out. And people in the gas station are just wearing shorts and t-shirt. I am such a Floridian, man. And scored a little breakfast burrito. And by little, it's pretty girthy. I have some time to kill before our first destination opens. But when we get there, it's gonna be like a dream. Hint. Let's see if Dollar General has a mousetrap. I need a mousetrap. Buddy, I'll be right back. You protect this van. Do you guys sell mouse traps?
Yes. Yeah,
awesome. You have a whole section for mouse traps?
We just have like just a section of pest control.
Gotcha.
Yeah, they'll be right there.
Awesome, brother. I appreciate you. What kind of cheese do you think a mouse will like the best? Let's go Velveeta.
No, how my dad caught mouse, and apparently it worked absolutely fine with him, is he uses the Cheese Whiz.
Ah, Cheese Whiz. Listen, if Velveeta doesn't work, I'm gonna go find some Cheese Whiz. Awesome, brother. Have a good day. Hey, buddy. This is not your cheese. Alright, bait is set. I've seen poop here, so I know he goes here. Ah, well, buddy, are you ready to go explore your dreams? Come on. Okay. Alright, let's go exploring. Welcome to Dyersville, Iowa, home of the set for Field of Dreams. Hey. One of my favorite movies as a kid. I hope you can hear me, it's really windy. But we're here, man. Okay. Are you excited to be here? Is this your dream? Is this your field of dreams? This is all the cornfields. Is this the best grass ever? Is this the best grass ever? Is it? Best grass ever. Best grass! So it's now an MLB site. They play an actual MLB game at the site, which is very cool every year. Fun. Are you having the best time? Okay, buddy. Why? In left field? In left field. Cool. Look at that. Yes, I do want to have a catch. Wyatt? Is there a dog-sized glove in there? What a fun pit stop. Iowa. I love that stop. Field of Dreams.
That was great. Definitely brought me back to my childhood. Next stop on the list is, well, it's an interesting one. You'll see why in a second.
Welcome to the largest man-made grotto in the world. This is the Shrine of the Grotto of the Redemption in Iowa. And it is wild. I mean wild. So wild. From up here you can kind of see, I mean, it goes on and on and on. So the story goes there was a German in the late 1800s that came down with a bad case of pneumonia, and he swore he would build a shrine if God let him live. And so he spent all this time after he lived building this shrine. It is so wild. It's so cool. What that is? It's like wood. That is awesome. Imagine the work it took. Look at the intricacy. Okay, they have a gift shop, which means they better have a sticker. I'm getting a sticker. Just impressed, you know? The amount of work and effort. If you build it, they will come. Oh wait, that was the last one. I don't know what this one has a motto at the grotto. Just a quick mouse update. Nothing yet. Not yet. We're gonna get you, Mouse. So we've made it to the campground. There are about 100 spots at this campground. It's right on a lake. It's gorgeous. And there are about 3 people here. So I'm literally just going spot to spot to spot to see which one is gonna be the best. This is an excellent problem to have. Too many choices. That took way more effort than you would think, trying to find a spot. There's 111 spots here, and there's 3 other people. But I like this one. Look at this. I'm loving it. Let's see if he loves it. He's gonna love it. Buddy, you did it! What do you think? Back on the rat situation. I haven't caught him yet, but I found what he's been feeding on. Toilet paper. Look at that. Look at that. Toilet paper? This little rat bastard. Are you in there? Well, this is where I'm gonna leave you guys for this episode. We're just gonna set up camp, eat, I'm hungry, crack a beer, and just enjoy the lake. And throw the ball. We're gonna throw the ball. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please be kind to each other and keep exploring life with an open mind. We'll see you on the next one, which I think is gonna be the Badlands. I think it's gonna be the Badlands. Spoiler alert.